Yo guys, what's up? John here. In today's video, I will teach you how to install Delta and use it for executing scripts and much more like flying, getting diamonds, maybe even free game passes. Stick to the end to find out. The first is to obviously need to search up Delta Executor on Google Chrome. The official website is deltaexploits.gg. Make sure to click that one. Next, click the download button. And click download for Android. Just wait for a few seconds. And click download. It should download an APK file. Once done, uninstall Roblox and install the Delta APK. Don't worry, it won't delete your account. Once it's done installing, open the Delta Executor with the Roblox icon. Play any of your favorite games. I chose 99 Nights. Now this will bring up a menu where you need to click Receive Key. It should take you to a website. Once it loads, wait for a few seconds. Click Continue and immediately navigate back. Now follow these steps. Fun fact, you can click them and immediately navigate back to not do the task. You can also do them at the same time. If you watched the tutorial in the first part, you probably would know what's next here. Go back to Roblox, and you should see the Delta icon. Click on it and paste the key you copied. It should just unlock. Next, hit the cloud icon and search any script that you can think of. I picked Voidware for 99 Nights. It's really OP. You can also fly by clicking the gaming icon and clicking Infinite Yield. And typing fly and your speed should let you fly. You can also no-clip too. That's pretty much it, guys. If you want more scripts and other cool tricks and tutorials for Roblox, make sure to like subscribe, and comment and suggest for the next video. Peace.